Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a Hyundai Accent 4th generation. We'll be removing this rear interior door panel step by step, and I'll show you the process as quickly and safely as possible without damaging the clips, trim, or the door itself. Let's get started. First, take a look here near the interior door handle. You can see a small plastic cover. This cover hides one of the screws that holds the handle trim in place. We need to remove this cover first. For this, you can use a small flat screwdriver, or even better, a plastic trim removal tool. Carefully insert the tool into the edge of the cover and gently lift it up. Try not to apply too much force, because this is a small plastic piece, and we don't want to damage or scratch it. Once the cover is removed, you will see a screw underneath. Now we can remove this screw using a screwdriver or a small electric screwdriver. Simply loosen the screw and remove it completely. After removing the screw, we can take off this black plastic trim around the door handle. To make it easier, move the handle slightly away from the trim and carefully pull the plastic piece out, just like this. Now let's move on to the next step. There is another hidden screw located here. You can see another small plastic cover. We need to carefully open this cover in the same way. Use a small flat tool and gently lift it from the edge. Once the cover is open, you will find another screw underneath. Now take your screwdriver or electric screwdriver and remove this screw as well. Once this screw is removed, we don't need to remove anything else from this area. Now we can move on to the main part, removing the door panel itself. The entire panel is held in place by several plastic clips located around the inside of the door. These clips can be quite tight, so it's important to remove the panel carefully and avoid pulling too hard in one place. I recommend starting from the lower part of the door panel. Look closely here. You can see a small indentation or gap along the lower edge. This is a good place to insert your tool. You can use a flat screwdriver, but I strongly recommend using a plastic trim removal tool if you have one. Insert the tool into the gap and gently apply pressure toward yourself. You will feel the first clip release. Once you hear the clip pop out, move the tool a little farther along the edge and release the next clip. Continue working around the panel, one clip at a time. Take your time here. There is no need to pull the entire panel away with a lot of force. If one of the clips is still holding the panel, simply move the tool closer to that location and release it separately. Continue going around the entire lower and side edges of the panel until all of the clips have been released. And as you can see, this is what the inside of the door panel looks like. You can now carefully pull the panel away from the door. Do not pull the panel away too quickly. There is still an electrical connector attached to the door panel. We need to disconnect this connector before the panel can be completely removed. Locate the connector here. Press down on the locking tab with your finger and gently pull the connector apart. Once the connector is disconnected, the door panel is completely free. Now we can carefully remove the entire panel from the door and place it somewhere safe. And that's it. As you can see, removing the rear door panel on the 4th generation Hyundai Accent is not particularly difficult. The most important thing is to locate the hidden screws first